Hey, I want to share with you the best vacuum that I've ever owned. This is the Shark Lift Away. Speaking of lifting, not very heavy. I can lift it up with one hand, very easy. Let me show you some of the great features of this vacuum. First, it has this canister here that has the see-through. There's a nice handle here on top for being able to carry it upstairs. The cord is a nice long cord. It has this side part here that you can wrap it around. And let's show you just how long the cord is. Can reach all the way basically to the other side of my house. Another nice feature is it has this light here that will light up when the brush roll needs to be cleaned. The hose here is a very nice high quality hose. Stretches really far. It's easy to replace the filter right in front. Can clean that out, put it back in there. Slide that on, very nice and easy. This has a really great turning radius. As you can see here, easy to make turns, get into different difficult areas. Real easy to use. You can see here the on-off switch actually has one for off. The first one would be for bare floor. And if you push it a second time, it has the brush roller that actually goes. So if you're going to be using this on hardwood floors or laminate floors, you could just put it to 1 and you won't scratch up your floor. So there you have the Shark Lift Away vacuum. The best working vacuum that I've ever had.